Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about training your mouth to speak English. Many people want to speak English, but they feel blocked when it is time to talk. They understand some words. They can read simple texts. They can listen and follow ideas, but when they open their mouth, nothing comes out. This is very common. It does not mean you are bad at English. It only means your mouth is not trained yet. Speaking a language is not only about the brain, it is also about the body. Your mouth, your tongue, and your lips need practice. When you learn English, your mouth needs to learn new sounds. These sounds may not exist in your native language. At first, they feel strange and uncomfortable. This is normal. Every new skill feels strange in the beginning. Many learners wait to feel ready before speaking. They think they need more words, more grammar, or more confidence. But speaking does not start with confidence. Confidence comes after action. The mouth learns by doing, not by waiting. If you wait to be perfect, you may never start. Training your mouth to speak English is like training a muscle. When you go to the gym, you do not start strong. You start slow. You repeat simple movements. Over time, your body adapts. Speaking English works the same way. You start with simple sounds, simple words, and simple sentences. At first, speaking may feel slow. Your mouth may move with effort. You may feel tired after speaking for a short time. This is a good sign. It means your mouth is working. It means training is happening. Every small effort helps your mouth learn the new language. One important step is speaking out loud. Many learners only study in silence. They read quietly and listen without speaking. This helps understanding, but it does not train the mouth. The mouth needs sound. It needs movement. Even if you are alone, speak out loud. Your mouth does not know if someone is listening. It only knows movement and sound. Start with very simple words. Words like I, you, this, that, here, and now. These words help you feel the rhythm of English. Do not rush. Say the words slowly. Feel how your mouth moves. This awareness helps build control and comfort. Next, move to simple sentences. Short sentences are powerful. Sentences like, I am learning English, or I want to speak better. These sentences are easy, but they train important patterns. Repeating simple sentences helps your mouth remember how English feels. Listening also plays a big role in training your mouth. When you listen carefully, your brain learns the sound of English. Over time, your mouth tries to copy these sounds. This is why listening and speaking work best together. Listen first, then repeat, slowly and calmly. Do not worry about accent. Accent is not a problem. Many fluent speakers have accents. The goal is not perfection. The goal is communication. Clear and simple speech is more important than perfect pronunciation. Focus on being understood, not on sounding like a native speaker. Fear is one of the biggest blocks in speaking English. Fear of mistakes. Fear of sounding wrong. Fear of being judged. These fears are natural, but they are not helpful. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches your mouth and your brain something new. When a child learns to speak, they make many mistakes. They repeat sounds. They say words wrong. No one stops them. No one tells them to wait. They learn by trying. Adults need to allow themselves the same freedom. Learning English is not a test. It is a process. Another helpful habit is daily speaking practice. It does not need to be long. 5 or 10 minutes is enough. What matters is consistency. When you speak every day, your mouth stays active. It remembers the movements. Long breaks make speaking harder. Small daily practice makes speaking easier. You can speak about simple things. Talk about your day. Talk about what you see. Talk about what you plan to do. These topics are familiar. You already know the ideas. You only need to express them in English. This reduces pressure and builds fluency. Reading out loud is also very helpful. When you read, your eyes guide your mouth. This reduces the need to think about words. Your mouth focuses on sound and rhythm. Reading slowly and clearly helps improve pronunciation and confidence. It is also important to be patient with yourself. Progress in speaking is not fast. Some days feel good, other days feel difficult. This is normal. Learning is not a straight line. Trust the process. Every time you speak, even when it feels bad, you are improving. Your mouth learns through repetition. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is training. The more you repeat, the more natural English feels. Over time, sentences come faster. Sounds feel easier. Speaking becomes less effort and more flow. You do not need complex grammar to speak. Simple grammar is enough to communicate. Many learners wait to learn advanced grammar before speaking. This slows progress. Start speaking with what you know now. Your grammar will improve naturally with use. Speaking English is also about mindset. If you tell yourself, "I cannot speak," your body believes it. Change the message. Tell yourself, "I am learning to speak." This small change opens space for growth. Language learning starts in the mind, but it lives in the mouth. Another powerful idea is self-acceptance. Accept your level today. Accept your mistakes. Accept your accent. This acceptance removes pressure. When pressure goes down, speaking becomes easier. A relaxed mouth speaks better than a tense one. It helps to remember why you want to speak English. Maybe for work, maybe for travel, maybe for personal growth. Keep this reason close to you. Motivation gives energy. Energy helps you practice. Practice builds ability. You are not behind. You are not late. Every learner has a different path. Comparing yourself to others creates stress. Focus on your own progress. Small improvements matter. One new word, one clearer sentence, one moment of confidence. Over time, something changes. Speaking feels less scary. Words come faster. The mouth moves more freely. This change is gradual, but real. Many learners do not notice progress because it happens slowly. Trust that training is working. In conclusion, training your mouth to speak English is a physical and mental process. It requires patience, repetition, and courage. You do not need perfection. You only need practice. Speak out loud. Speak simply. Speak daily. Every time you use your mouth, you move closer to fluency. Remember, English is not learned in silence. It is learned in sound. Your mouth is your tool. Train it gently. Train it daily and trust the journey. You are capable of learning. You are capable of speaking. One word at a time, your voice will grow stronger.